This is how to quickly sign out from Excel Mobile on iPhone. First is to get to the Excel Mobile app. I will use the search. Then I will type the word Excel. So I will tap on it. Once the application opens, you will see your initial at the top left. In this case, I have JA as the initial. So tap on that initial. This will display the email address that is linked to that account. You can see that there, but it's hidden for security reason. Tap on the drop down. Then on tapping on the drop down, you'll be taken to the bottom part and you see the sign out button there. Tap on it. Then it says your account will be removed from view, but we will finish syncing your changes. To complete sign out, first quit the app. Tap on the sign out button. And I'm signed out from the application. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.